In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Figma to Organization Plan. Upgrading your Figma plan to the Organization tier unlocks powerful features for larger teams and enterprises, offering enhanced control, security, and scalability. This is particularly useful for companies looking to streamline design systems and manage access robustly across multiple projects. This upgrade empowers your team with more sophisticated tools for collaborative design. Let's walk through the process together, making sure you understand each step clearly. First, to begin the upgrade process, you'll want to navigate to your profile in Figma. Look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll typically find your profile picture or initials there. This icon represents your personal hub within Figma, providing quick access to your settings and other administrative functions. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and workspace. This initial step is crucial as it directs you to the central area where you can manage all aspects of your Figma experience, setting the stage for your plan upgrade. Once you've clicked on your profile, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Settings. The Settings option is usually quite prominent and is where you can adjust various preferences, manage your account details, and, most importantly for our purpose today, explore your plan options. Think of this as accessing the control panel for your Figma account. It's designed to give you a comprehensive overview and management capabilities for your workspace, including billing and subscription information. After clicking Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you'll need to locate a section often labeled Your Spaces, or something similar, which helps organize your teams and projects within Figma. Within this section, you're looking for a specific option, which in this case is labeled Learn. This Learn button or link isn't just about tutorials. It often serves as a gateway to understanding and comparing Figma's different subscription plans. It provides detailed information about what each tier offers, helping you make an informed decision about the best plan for your team's specific needs. Clicking Learn will typically lead you to a page outlining the various Figma plans available. Finally, having reviewed the different plan options, you'll now be ready to make your selection and upgrade. On the page detailing the plans, you will see various tiers such as Starter, Professional, Organization, and Enterprise. Your goal here is to select the Organization plan. Click directly on the option for Organization. This action will initiate the upgrade workflow, guiding you through the necessary steps to transition your account, including reviewing its specific features and proceeding with payment details.